Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Ahmed Asif and welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will show you guys that how can you make your first gig on Fiverr. So without wasting our time, let's get the video started. So if you have make your account on Fiverr, you can just press on this icon and you need to go in the profile. When you go in the profile, you can see this thing here. When you will have some gigs here, you will be seeing that. Otherwise, if you are the beginners, you are not gonna see anything over here. So you just need, but you will be seeing this thing over here, like create a new gig. So just press on this and go ahead and start making your gig. So here you don't have to put I will here because it's all automatically gonna be added on your title. So you will say I'm making a gig about data entry right now, or you can put other title here as well if you want to make a gig about some other things like photo editing. So you can say I will edit 2 pictures of you, 10 pictures of you, different titles. It all depends on you. So right now I will be making about data entry, so I will say I will do data entry, any data entry work for you, data entry work for you, so big. Okay, so this is gonna be the title of my gig, and now I need to select the category from here. So here for the data entry work, I'll be selecting business. From here I will select data entry. Now you need to put the tags here, because whenever the client will come on the Fiverr, they will be searching the tags. They will be searching like data entry. When you will have the tag here data entry, then your gig will be coming in those searches as well. So I will select data entry, then data mining, then business, then you will say virtual assistant, and then you can say worksheets, and that's all. Now you can save and continue from here, and you will be redirected to this page, pricing and plans. So you can go and turn on this bar, 3 packages. Now you can name these. I will give select silver and gold. What is gonna happen? Okay, let me just turn that. Okay, silver. Here I will put gold. These are actually the names of the packages that I'm giving these, and now I need to write here some short description about it. I will do any data entry work, or you can make changes here as well. Data entry work. So actually these are the 3 packages. Why there are 3 packages? Because with the 3 packages the work changes, like the length of the work changes. With the basic package there will be the lesser work that you have to do. With the standard one you have to do some more. With the premium then you have to do more, because there are different kind of clients on Fiverr, because some have to do some lesser work, some have to do more, and some have to do more. So this is why this is here. And now the delivery time for the basic is going to be 2 days. If you want to select some more, if you want to take some more time, you can do that. And hours of work, I'm going to select 3 hours for the 2 days of delivery. Here 3 hours, or here 3 hours as well, because we are going to take more days, 2 days of delivery. The delivery is same like how many days or how many time you will be taking to deliver this order. After doing that, after you done with the order, so I'm going to take 2 days for the basic plan, I'm going to take 3 days for the standard plan, and with the premium I'll be taking 3 days. Now you need to select format cleanup in all, because that is more good, that attracts more customers to your gig. And this is as well, not in this one. I will select this for the revision. In the data entry you don't have to select unlimited revision, because sometimes the customer says to do their data entry work again. In cold calling stuff like that they don't say, because that is not the work to do some revisions. But in this you can select 2 revisions. Revision is just like the people or the client will tell you to do their work again, absolutely free. So you have to do that because you have agreement with the Fiverr and with the client. So right now you have to select the prices. If you are the beginners, I would suggest you to go with the basic, $5 for the basic plan, $10 with the standard, and premium with the $15. And now you need to select save, you need to go and save and continue this. And now you will be redirected to this page. So I have already wrote some here, the description over here. So I will just copy this from here and just paste this. So if you have to write some description, so make sure it is long, so long and understandable, so people will come at your gig and they will it actually attracts more customers. So it should be long, not that much long, but it should be. So you have to write the description over there about your gig. And now you need to write, is asking that tell your buyer what you needed to get started. So you just tell that I just need complete requirements. Okay, just a moment, let me just write it. Requirements. Okay, now when you write that, just add that and save and continue. It is actually so simple to make a gig, because it's just like to make a Gmail account. And now you need to put the picture over here. So I have downloaded one picture from Google. You can do so, but if you can make by yourself on Photoshop, that'll be more good. Okay, now I have just selected that, and now you can select more pictures. You can add more pictures and videos and PDF files. Now save and continue from here. And now it's almost there. Let's publish my gig, and you can see your gig alive. Now press on the icon again and go in your profile. You can see your gig alive. So as you could see that I had only 2 gigs before, but right now I'm having 3 because I just made it. It's actually so simple to make a gig, because sometimes people I just like to make a Gmail account, but some people do not understand that. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you guys. So if you enjoy this video, if you get some help from my video, so make sure you guys give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to share this video, you can, so other people can get the help from my video. Or if you have some questions about this, you can just go in the comment section and ask me that. I will give you a quick response about that, and I will answer you definitely. So for that, Allah Hafiz.